Yeah, buddy. What's poppin', everybody? It is a very, very cold Saturday morning out here in East Tennessee. I've been up since 3 a.m. getting ready. Remember that 300-foot waterfall cave we went to earlier summer? Well, we got a map for it, and there's a lot of potential for undiscovered areas. And so we're gonna go mess around in that cave for a while today. To set the scene though, it's about 30 degrees out, and I am really not looking forward to the thought of crawling through underground tunnels half filled with water for a couple miles. But I am very excited about this giant 300-foot pit with a waterfall beside it. So I hope you're ready for a very intense video. And as always, thank you guys for watching. All right, the dead of winter. We made it to the cave. And we remember the short, right?
Yeah, I got it.
Man, it's been a long time, my old friend. Oh, that's right, that's right. That little staircase. This is my favorite cave on earth. In case you guys didn't know.
I'm tossing it. Alright.
You able to fit all your gear in your bag, James?
Yeah, I took some out.
Nice.
Rearranged some stuff. Swap rice and everything.
That's what's up.
It's not the
I
worst.
think it is drier than last time.
Yeah.
It seems dusty.
Yeah. I think these were a little bit wet last time. This log wasn't here last time.
Alright. There should be a drop down. Somewhere right around here. That's what I thought. Oh, it's on the left?
What?
Aha, here we go. Just did our second little climb down. Got Alex crawling through a small section right here. Packed too much stuff. No way, is my light already dead? That better not be the case.
Ooh, I bet that one's getting heavy now.
Dude, my light's already almost dead. It's like walking through ice.
Oh, somebody. Yeah, I think the water coming from outside because it's ice cold.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I remember this thing being pretty dang long too.
Yeah.
Whew.
Full thing, man. There's a drop off right here. This section's not that bad. Oh, you got a little deep. Yeah, it gets a little deeper up here. A little bit deeper around 30 feet.
Oh, it's a pain in the butt, but I would consider it worth it, honestly. Made it into this room after that crazy crawl. My back hurts. This way.
That's upstream, I think.
Oh, have we already? Is this the upstream, downstream part?
Same thing last time.
Dude, from what I remember, there was like a steady trickle coming through here last time, right?
Yeah, it was.
Nothing.
Oh yeah, the big old lake ceiling.
Oh yeah, my favorite part. Oh, James, I'm guessing it's almost time for the rope to be carried by me again. You about done with it?
Could be either one of us.
Oh, where is it? Oh, Edward's got it. Hey, Edward, let me know when you want to get rid of that rope. All right, so we got to climb under this rock that's hanging like a few inches off the ceiling. The guy that lets us park at his house for this cave was actually warning us about this rock. He said, don't touch it, as my butt just touched it.
Yeah.
I need to be able to see. Oh no, this is the one that was sketchy.
Oh yeah, this isn't the bad.
No, yeah. Oh yeah, that's the sketchy one for sure.
Oh yeah.
Holy crap. Going under the sketchy rock. Oh yeah, formations. Stay on the side, it's not too bad. Left side. These are my favorite silver formations. Beautiful. I love how these rocks change from like red to black as they go down.
Those look like pedals for the laptop, you know?
Yeah. It just blows my mind this cave completely floods. This is so much space for water to be in.
Terrifying.
Yeah, it really is.
That would be a lot of water.
Yeah, so on the map there's a way that cuts off to the left if you're walking down to the waterfall that apparently goes out to a sinkhole outside. Which honestly might have been might be an easier way to get in, but it also might just be a terrible crawl for a long time. Looks like we're intersecting with the big stream. So that little tiny stream we were walking on was just a side stream that feeds into this big one. And the way we get in is a little tiny crack on the surface that rainwater gets in. That's why it's so tight. But as you can see, this cave just gets bigger and bigger as you go through it. And we're in the big part. Pretty awesome. Yeah, true.
Yeah, that's great, dude. Oh, I think he walked out high. It's getting silty.
That is so good.
Dude, the difference in colors going through the wall, it's like a rainbow.
Yeah.
Oh, dude,
This is what I'm taking my phone.
Yeah, nobody.
holy cow.
This is it.
So cannonball into the water, right? This is gorgeous.
Dude, if you want like a swim spot, bro,
This is the spot.
Holy crap.
We should do that after like a little bit.
Wow.
At the end?
You guys jumping in?
Yeah, at the end.
Oh, I hear it. That thing's going, man. That thing's going real good. Ooh-wee. I'm about to freeze. That's not good. Is it? All right, made it to the waterfall. Dude, it smells weird over here. Is this it?
Yeah.
Oh man.
This is so gnarly.
So this crack in the ground just runs, I mean, you can see it. The water has just cut its way into the riverbed further and further until it created this 300-foot pit that I feel like I might be walking right over. Oh, I see it. Oh, man.
Yeah, I heard it. It looks like it'll fall into the crack at that spot. Okay.
Yeah.
There you go. Oh man.
He's over the lip.
Oh man.
Yeah.
Scariest
Hardest part's over.
thing I have ever done. Perfect. You're great now.
Oh, jeez. Heck
Use the
yeah,
bars.
man.
You got it.
Going. Light it up. Here we go. Both walkie-talkies are up here. Are you bringing one down?
The one's dead.
Oh, perfect. Oh yeah, later, dude. Well. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Holy crap. Ow! Crazy land bridge. Oh my God! That's how you get it down. I'm not gonna name drop, although I really want to.
Man, you were hauling down that road.
Yeah, buddy. Dude, I just slammed on the brakes and I slid. Oh! Oh my God, that was so nerve-wracking. How'd you like that, James?
I had to feed it for a good while because my raptor was jammed up.
Yeah.
It was terrifying.
Off-road! Holy crap.
Hey, that is tall.
That is awesome, dude.
Hey, what are you still doing up there?
Hold on, I gotta get over to the top of the thing. He's zipping down. So we are at the bottom of this pit. There's a rope over there that you can't see because it's extremely foggy in here. Anyway, check these awesome rocks out. These are so funky. You got some red ones right there just randomly. Dude, I still can't see that rope.
I do.
It is so cold. Is that mud?
This looks very delicate.
Oh, this is a bunch of rimstone dams.
Yeah.
Rimstone dams. I'm so cold I can't even talk. Check these out.
Dude, there's a second way to go.
No way.
Yeah, there's like a second sump pump.
Ooh.
Whoa.
Random sketchy rope is great.
Dude.
That doesn't sound good. What you see, Alex?
It's a little rusty.
It's questionable. Makes you question the next one.
Just a little bit of surface rust.
They probably used a Home Depot quick link.
Not sounding good.
Dude, I really just don't like anything about this rope. Like, why is it cut off down here?
Who did that?
I feel like I'm putting a lot of force on that bolt when I do that. Dude, I really don't like where they put this bolt.
No.
I just heard it crack again.
I did too.
Hey guys. I don't think I'm coming up this. This rock's cracking. This rock it's bolted into is cracking. I don't think I'm gonna come up this.
We do keep hearing something crack, it sounds like.
After sitting here for a while, I've decided to go up this rope. All right, I'm up. Yeah, dude, this goes. I guess here I goes. I shouldn't be more than an hour. I shouldn't be more than an hour. Oh, I was about to say, if this just immediately splits in two. Yo! Canyon. I bet you there's something really cool back here, man. There's a lot of sparkly stuff. Another rope. That is another rope. These are crazy looking. Yeah, knowing these two fools, they went up this rope. Hello? Guess I'm going up this rope. I'm back by myself, up a couple of ropes in the back of this cave. Everything I'm in right now is unmapped. And I was trying to find Edward and Alex. As you can see, I found where they left their gear. So I know I'm in the right direction, but now I'm gonna wander down this path a little bit longer, see if I can't find them. Oh, it's nice and dry back here. See, this cave is freaking massive. Oh. No way. Let me guess. Crawl. No. Yo! I'm gonna turn you guys back on whenever I get through these crawls. So I've come to the end of this. That dead ends. That's a dead end. There's no sign of Alex or Edward. And I don't think there's any other way for them to go, so... Dude, I don't know where they are or what's going on. Alright, so I'm coming back down this rope. I could not find Edward and Alex. I found their gear, but I couldn't find them, so I don't really know what's going on. But I'm coming off this little top area, and it's sketch. Oh, I'm so glad to be down.
Nice, dude.
To fill you in, they are back. I'm headed over to the rope to start climbing. Me and James are about frozen solid. It's bad. But climbing this rope's about to superheat me. Got my Old Faithful. I'm sure you saw how much that other hand ascender was giving me problems. Not doing the whole dealing with problem things on a 300-foot ascent. Oh, this cave kicks my ass so much. We're all here. We all climbed out. I just took me a nice nap. What's up, guys? Sorry, this is my outro. I normally try to do them at the cave, but my GoPro just would not let me record anything. It would last for about a second, and then the screen would turn pink and green, and it would freeze, and I'd have to pull the battery out. And I lost a lot of footage. I was back up in that top thing for a while looking for Edward and Alex. Never could find them, but yeah, my GoPro started messing up, and then it got even worse on the way out, so I can't really use any of that footage. Thank you so much for watching. Means a lot if you could like and share this video. It helps my channel grow, and yeah, go subscribe to Edward and Alex. They've got a really cool perspective on what's back up there, so you can see it firsthand. As always, I will see y'all next week.